Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Appliance Mastery, the go-to spot for all things cool and cutting edge in the world of technology. We've got an exciting lineup for you, the 10 coolest gadgets you can find right now on Amazon. So, buckle up and get ready for a tech-fueled adventure. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest discoveries. Introducing the Kodak Step Slim Instant Mobile Color Photo Printer, a sleek and convenient solution to bring your memories to life in vibrant color. Say goodbye to cables and connectors. The Kodak Step Slim allows you to wirelessly print your favorite memories directly from your iOS or Android devices. Enjoy the freedom of hassle-free printing. Whether you're an iOS enthusiast or an Android aficionado, the Kodak Step Slim is compatible with both, ensuring that you can effortlessly print photos from your smartphone or tablet, regardless of the operating system. Transform your cherished moments into tangible keepsakes with the Kodak Step Slim Instant Mobile Color Photo Printer. It's more than a printer, it's a gateway to instant memories, all in the palm of your hand. Introducing the Clocktech Nixie Tube Clock Walnut Digital Desk Clock, where modern technology meets timeless design. Crafted from exquisite walnut wood, this clock effortlessly combines vintage charm with cutting-edge features, making it the perfect addition to any desk or tabletop. Featuring Wi-Fi time calibration, the Clocktech Nixie Tube Clock ensures precision and accuracy in keeping time. Not just a timekeeper, the Clocktech Nixie Tube Clock also doubles as a reliable alarm. Set personalized alarms to kickstart your day or keep track of important tasks, all with a touch of vintage flair. Embrace the elegance of a bygone era with the Clocktech Nixie Tube Clock Walnut Digital Desk Clock, where tradition meets technology in perfect harmony. The perfect solution for soothing back pain and providing comfort wherever you go. The portability of this heating pad ensures you can use it at home, in the office, or on the go, making it an indispensable companion for women and girls. With 3 adjustable heat levels, you can customize your experience to suit your needs. This innovative feature not only provides warmth but also offers a soothing massage to ease tension and promote muscle relaxation. Our electric heating pad boasts fast heating technology, ensuring quick relief when you need it most. Invest in your well-being with the portable cordless heating pad, a versatile, stylish, and effective solution for on-the-go pain relief and relaxation. Your ultimate companion for a safer and smarter driving experience. Capture every detail in stunning clarity with the 2160p front camera, ensuring that you never miss a moment on the road. The additional 1080p rear camera provides comprehensive coverage, offering a 170 degrees wide-angle view to monitor your surroundings effectively. Equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen, the Rexing V1P allows for easy navigation and instant playback, giving you the convenience you need. The Wi-Fi capability enables seamless connectivity to a mobile app, providing real-time footage access and control at your fingertips. Choose the Rexing V1P 4K car dash cam for unparalleled performance and peace of mind on every journey. Upgrade your driving experience today. Magnetic levitation Bluetooth speaker, a mesmerizing fusion of technology and elegance. Designed for the modern office, this cool tech gadget not only defies gravity but also adds a touch of innovation to your surroundings. Surprise your colleagues or loved ones with this exceptional desk decor piece that doubles as a thoughtful gift for those who appreciate the intersection of technology and design. Elevate your environment with a magnetic levitation Bluetooth speaker constellation lamp, where functionality meets fascination. Elevate your ambience with this adjustable firepower, smokeless fire pit, meticulously designed for urban and suburban settings. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this fire pit is not only a statement of style but also a durable addition to your outdoor decor. Say goodbye to excessive smoke. Our innovative design ensures a low smoke output, allowing you to enjoy the warmth without any discomfort. Whether you're hosting a cozy gathering with friends or simply unwinding after a long day, the Mesofil Tabletop Fire Pit Kit is your go-to solution for creating a captivating outdoor atmosphere. Bring warmth and style to your space with this black beauty that seamlessly combines form and function. A must-have 10-in-1 solution for maintaining the pristine condition of your devices. This comprehensive computer screen cleaning brush tool is designed with precision to keep your gadgets spotless and performing at their best. Effortlessly clean a variety of devices with our versatile spray. The uniquely crafted tools ensure effective and safe cleaning, leaving no room for compromise. Specially formulated to remove smudges, fingerprints, and dust with ease. Invest in the longevity and performance of your electronics with our Keyboard Cleaning Kit Laptop Cleaner. Order now and experience the difference in cleanliness and clarity. This 6-in-1 wireless charging station is a technological marvel, combining a high-speed 15W fast charger with a digital alarm clock and night light. Declutter your space with the Smsasoio wireless charger's compact and stylish design. Its all-inclusive features eliminate the need for multiple chargers and accessories. Rest easy with the assurance of top-notch quality. The Smsasoio wireless charger is crafted with precision and durability to withstand the test of time. Upgrade your charging routine and simplify your life with the Smsasoio wireless charger. Embrace the future of convenience and technology in one sleek package. With a powerful 100W output, this 4-in-1 car fast charger is designed to keep your devices powered up efficiently and conveniently. The retractable cables, measuring a generous 31.5 inches, ensure flexibility and tidiness, eliminating the hassle of tangled wires in your car. Equipped with 2 charging ports, this versatile car charger supports both iPhone and Type-C devices, making it compatible with a wide range of gadgets, including iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 Pro Max, XR, iPad, Samsung, Pixel, and more. Whether you're on a road trip, commuting, or just running errands, our retractable car charger is your go-to solution for fast and reliable charging. Stay connected and powered up with ease, no matter where your journey takes you. Elevate your gaming experience with our gaming headphone stand PC accessories, the perfect blend of functionality and style. This RGB headset stand not only keeps your gaming gear organized but also adds a touch of cool LED lighting to your gaming setup. Designed with gamers in mind, this headphone stand features 2 USB chargers, ensuring that your devices are always powered up and ready for action. Say goodbye to cluttered cables and hello to a streamlined, organized gaming space. The eye-catching RGB lighting on the headset stand creates a dynamic and immersive atmosphere, enhancing the visual appeal of your gaming station. A thoughtful gift for boys and men alike, this gaming headphone stand is the ideal present for gamers who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. Transform your desk into a gaming command center with our gaming headphone stand PC accessories.